Hello, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create a supplier. So from the home page you click on buying, that you go to the buying module, and then you scroll down to supplier and then you click on supplier. The next thing you do is you click on add supplier. So here you can put in these two details and click on save. This is the quick entry form, but I will show you how to edit in full form. So here you put in the supplier name. So for example, Prince Limited. Here you select the supplier group. Now there are a couple of options, but you can always add a new supplier group if it doesn't fall into any of these. So for this I will use distributor. You can also specify if it's a company or an individual. So you can leave this on company. And then here you can put in their tax ID if you have that information. Here you can set the currency or price list. By default, it's going to be in your company currency. So if it's Naira, if your company currency is Naira, it will be default Naira. But if, for example, this supplier deals with you in pounds, you can specify their billing currency as GBP. Then here you can set their default payment terms. So if there's a default payment term for this particular supplier, that's payment is due after a week, 2 weeks, 30 days, you can specify that as well. So once you've put in these few details, you can click on save. So right now the supplier has been created, and you can always come in here to modify information pertaining to the client. For example, you can put in their contact person by clicking on new contact. You can put in the address by clicking on new address and fill in the form. You can also specify who the primary contact is. So if, for example, you add multiple contacts here, you can select who the primary contact is. You can also set their default payable accounts. So if you have more than one payable account, you can set the payable account that is supposed to be linked to this particular supplier. And then you save. So anytime you make a change, you need to make sure that you save, so that all the changes you've effected, so all the changes you've made are effected. You can also view the accounting ledger from here and the accounts payable. You can create a bank account, and you can get the supplier group details from here. So right now we have created the supplier, and you can start transacting with the supplier. Thank you.